Money grows, blessings multiply, and even your smallest action becomes eternal. Yes, this is true. There is one day in the entire year when anything you start never diminishes. This is not motivation. This is Akshay Tritiya. But here is the truth. Most people think it's just about buying gold. That's not the real meaning. Today I will reveal mind-blowing facts, hidden history and powerful traditions of Akshay Tritiya from north to south, east to west of India. Stay till the end because one of these facts can literally change your life path. Akshay Tritiya is one of the most powerful and auspicious days in Hindu and Jain traditions. It falls on the third lunar day Tritiya of Shukla Paksha in Vaishakha month. The word Akshay means never diminishing, eternal, which means anything you do on this day gives results that never fade away. That's why it is called the day of infinite growth and prosperity. Here is something shocking. On Akshay Tritiya, you don't need to check any auspicious timing. Why? Because the entire day itself is considered Shubh, purely auspicious. That's why people start businesses, buy property, begin investments, and even fix marriages. It's believed that anything started today brings long-term success and abundance. According to ancient beliefs, on this day, Sun is in Aries, Moon is in Taurus. Both are considered powerful positions. This creates a rare balance of energy, perfect for growth, meaning nature itself supports your success. Akshay Tritiya is also the birth anniversary of Lord Parshurama, the sixth avatar of Lord Vishnu. He was born to destroy injustice and restore dharma. That's why this day symbolizes justice, power, and new beginnings. One of the most sacred facts, the holy river Ganga descended to earth on this day. That's why taking bath in rivers is considered extremely holy. Spiritual cleansing is emphasized. This is not just ritual, it's about purifying your mind and karma. In the Mahabharata, Lord Krishna gave Draupadi the Akshay Patra, a vessel that produced unlimited food. Abundance never ends when blessed by divinity. That's why charity on this day is so powerful. According to Hindu belief, Treta Yoga began on Akshay Tritiya, the same yoga where Lord Rama was born. Dharma flourished, meaning this day marks a cosmic reset of righteousness. Now let's travel across India because Akshay Tritiya is celebrated differently in every region of India. In places like Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, temples like Vrindavan open special darshan. Devotees see Krishna's feet which are hidden all the year. Also, Kedarnath temple reopens after winter, marking the start of pilgrimage season. Here in Rajasthan and Gujarat, it is known as Akha Teej. Mass weddings happen, farmers start new agricultural cycles, and buying gold is a big tradition here. Why gold? Because it is a symbol of everlasting wealth. In Odisha and Bengal, farmers begin paddy sowing season. Rath Yatra, chariot construction begins in Puri. In West Bengal, traders start new accounting books, calling it Hal Khata, meaning it's a day of financial rebirth. In South India, special prayers to Lord Vishnu and Lakshmi is offered. Donations and annadam or food charity is being performed. Temples conduct rituals for prosperity and blessings for family growth. Here in Jains also, this day is very sacred. Lord Rishabdev ended his 1 year fast on this day by drinking sugarcane juice. That's why donation of food is highly important and charity is infinite merit. Now the biggest question, why gold? because Akshaya Tritiya symbolizes never-ending wealth. So buying gold is believed to multiply prosperity, secure future wealth. But remember, real meaning is not gold, it's growth mindset and right actions. Here is the truth that no one tells you. Not just good actions, even bad actions multiply on this day. So avoid negativity, avoid anger, avoid wrong decisions because karma compounds faster today. So what you should do on Akshaya Tritiya? Start something that will never stop growing. A new habit, a spiritual practice, a new business idea, helping someone. Because this day is not just a festival, it's a cosmic opportunity. So today, if you learn something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Because here, we don't just share stories, we reveal truths hidden in Sanatan Dharma.